I was leprosy itself, okay. But do I think I said something wrong? The answer is not really. I think it was a statement of a socio-economic nature. In other words, a social response to economic realities. I never ever intended that to be my contribution for the day. That you put out that particular tweet and that's it. I put out a succession of tweets. And if anybody's looking at it, you can see that there's no racism in it or racism intended. And that doesn't mean speaking about race, right, is then off lifting. Speaking about race is not racism. Okay, it's when one starts to generate hate towards a race, when one starts to try and generate a superiority towards a race, is when it starts to become racist. And unfortunately, you're starting to see too many of the anti-racism crusade falling into the racist trap. I think people need to look at that, the sequence of tweets that I did. All right, there was no racism at all. Okay, and I don't think it can be proved racist either. What one needs to understand is what it does mean. All right, and the importance of what I'm trying to say. And the importance is that if we don't resolve things like unemployment, the situation in South Africa continues to become a need-like situation. And that tweet, which was the problem, is describing a pressure cooker situation in South Africa that is unfolding because of the frustration of a low-growth economy where we're not creating jobs. And as a consequence, people are getting frustrated, they're getting angry, and in fact, that anger is in fact reflected in that Twitter storm. What I didn't know at the time was this penny sparrow was raging at the time, right? And we also had the ruling party heading towards its birthday bash the following week, and they need a distraction because I think their own polling tells them that they're in trouble if the elections are fought on the basis of service delivery, corruption and the state of the economy. So they're positioning racism as the most important election issue. If this was in a perfectly calm environment on a Saturday or another day, etc., I'm not so sure if it would have created the same reaction.